Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be going over my first impressions of the new LG Stylo 4, and specifically I want to go over some of the big changes they've made on this phone in comparison to last year's LG Stylo 3. So out of the box, when I got to hold this phone and really play around with it, I was really blown away by how beautiful the phone is. First of all, you've got a larger screen, 6.2 inches now. I think last year's Stylo 3 was around 5.7, so it wasn't as large. And the screen is obviously taller versus being wider, and it really reminds me of the S9. I got my S9 Plus right here, and it just has a really similar look to it, but as you can tell, the screen is you know, damn near the same as the S9 Plus. So it really gives off the impression of a premium phone. And once you start looking at just the bezels on the side here, I've got an iPhone 8 Plus right here, and it just looks very similar to the iPhone. They really paid a lot of attention to detail, and I think the goal with this phone was to make it feel more premium. Around the edges, it has a metal feel to it, whereas in the previous year's Stylos, you know, were more plasticky. You could tell the material wasn't as strong. So not only does the phone feel more durable, it feels more premium, which I love. Still got that fingerprint scanner on the back. However, now the power button is not the fingerprint scanner anymore. There is an actual power button on the side here, which I really like. That was always one of the quirks. I didn't really care for it too much with the Stylo 3. Also, aside from the larger display and the beautiful new design, got some other big changes here. So the charging is now done via Type-C. So at the bottom here, this is a Type-C connector. So if you got micro USB, guess what? It's a new day. We'll come with a new Type-C charger in the box. But you've got some new charging there, which is different. But hey, all the other premium phones are moving to Type-C, so I don't see any problem with doing that. I think it just kind of updates the technology, so that's awesome. Also, the battery now is no longer removable, so you cannot take the back off. This phone is completely sealed. It's not water resistant, so don't get too excited, but battery is no longer removable, and a lot of phones are starting to do that because of design. You can do a lot more when it's sealed versus when the battery is removable. There's some limitations that come into play there. So battery is now sealed in the phone. 3300 milliamp battery, which is pretty standard, just about the same battery that the Note 8 has, so we're in the same category. Got one other really awesome new addition to this phone, which is facial recognition. So not only do you have the fingerprint scanner for security, you also have facial recognition, which you can set up. So basically you can use the knock knock feature, which is when the phone is off. You just double tap on the screen to turn it on, and the scanner will look at your face, it'll read it and automatically unlock the phone for you. So that's a new feature we're getting with a lot of the premium phones, and guess what? Now we have it on the sort of mid to low end series of the Stylo. So overall, guys, my first impressions are this phone is breathtaking. You need to like feel one. You need to go into a Metro store and actually see the demo. This phone is so many leaps ahead of the previous Stylos. You could get this phone and really feel like you have an $800 phone, but only pay around 200 bucks or less for it. So I love this phone. I've got some more testing I want to do with it. We're working on our hidden features, our tips and tricks. We're trying to see all the cool quirks and reasons you should buy, reasons you shouldn't buy. So definitely hit that subscribe button as well. Make sure you like the video, favorite, and share it. Follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways. And we've got a ton more videos to come on this phone. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one.